Hey YouTubers, this is a quick video on how to take out your old power button and install the new ones. These ones are supposed to be a lot easier to turn your iron on. As you know, these ones you gotta really push them in with your thumbnail and stuff like that. It's kind of stupid. These ones have a really big bump on the back. I got this for about $5 Canadian. It was marked down on sale. So first, degas your gun, turn it off, open up your grip, take your battery out. There's 3 screws you have to undo from there. You're going to use your Allen wrench like this that came with the gun. Number 1, number 2, and number 3 on the top right here. I've already undid them to make life easier. And simply slip your body out of your frame. And then unscrew this screw right there where the hose is. Once that is undone, it will lift right out. Be very careful, do it gently, and nothing will go wrong. And from there, you want to pop your old power button out. Oh yeah, you can actually really feel the difference just from this. So it's just on there with sticky stuff, so just pop it out, peel it off. There's not much sticky residue on there, but if there was, I'd probably do the smart thing and use Goo Gone or something like that. Check for the inside as well, that there's nothing sticky or weird in there. So that's the old button. This is the new one. They are exactly the same size. Now if you look at the thickness of the new one, this one it's a lot thicker. It has a much bigger ball on the back than the old one, so it's probably well worth it. Now apparently some newer ones come with super glue. This one just has a 3M sticky back, so peel that off. And simply apply to your gun. I'm a little off. Don't press it down really hard until you make sure that it is perfect. Darn, no, I still gotta move it over a bit. Oh god. Might take a little bit of patience. I'm gonna use my little grabber. Wow, this is handy. And then stick it right in there. Really good. I think that's the ticket right there. That looks good. Stick it down. I'm going to kind of test it out first and just simply slide it back in. Just to make sure everything's capiche. And by the way, your actual power button is the gray button on top here. You can actually touch it and feel it. So slide it right in. I don't think it's going to work unless you screw this in. So I'll screw that one back in. Let me put the battery in there to see how it actually works. Oh gosh, oh, let me put this one screw in right here. And the screw in the back as well. Ugh. I'll do this one here first. Okay. Let's see. Oh, that is really nice. Wow, that makes life easier. Look, with the pinky finger. And it turns on. It's going to be so much easier to do with gloves and stuff like that. Gosh, just as an extreme example, let me turn it off. This is one of our big, huge Canadian gloves we wear. And that gets it on. That is pretty darn good. You can even turn it off with a glove that's like a centimeter thick. So, there you go. That's a quick video on how to install a button. My next video will actually be on how to install a new trigger. I just ordered one. I already forget what it's called, but it was about 50 bucks. So I'll do a video hopefully in a week or so about that. Take care for now. Please comment. Bye-bye.